UK. Oh my god! Shit, I thought I saw blue lights behind me. I got a bit scared. But that shop was on sale for 500,000, and I believe it came with 2 houses, 2-bedroom apartments on top. I think I gotta make space for this big boy. Yeah, I should have got my glasses. I don't legally need my glasses, but it's been a while since I went to my optician. By a while, I mean a year. Legal requirement is every 2 years, I think. But yeah, I'm fine. We're fine. We're fine. Look at me. I can drive. I can see. Overrated. Honestly, watching when you're bloody driving is overrated. We get it, man. All right, okay, calm down. Brakes are fine. That's been saying that for years. I say years, but I mean a couple of months, but we're fine. All right. I think that one might also pick up, so just to be safe, we're chilling, bro. See, we're going the legal limit. Oh, come on. Seriously, I can't even run that. That's like a 5-minute wait, bro. Okay, we're going. Don't beep at me, bro. The light's not getting any greener, bro. Oh, damn, that guy's left behind. Honestly, I have no idea where I'm driving to. I'm just driving. Alright, look, that's the unique Uzi. Yeah, I'm not making that. I ain't speeding. I'm good, bro. You know, I probably could have made it. I'll switch over lanes so the other cars can get over, buddy. God, see, I'm a nice guy. And you know what? Because we're law-abiding citizens, we're gonna switch back to the normal lane because we're not overtaking. And you know what? I can't be asked, bro. I just switch back over. You're waiting for me. Seriously, you ain't gonna fit through that gap, broski. I really don't wanna get stuck inside of the traffic over there. So we're just gonna make a quick U-turn and not even know what lane I'm in, but it's okay. It's okay. But I kind of wanted to go to uni. That uni over there, but it's fine. Hey, bro, I'm going 30. Look at him. Get his license plate. Someone get his license plate. Oh, I had to switch it, bro. Come on, bro. Why is everyone and their grandma overtaking me, bro? I'm doing 30. I'm doing 30. Am I the dickhead here? Genuinely, am I the dickhead? I'm doing 30. I'm doing 30 in a 30 and they're overtaking me. Nah, that goes crazy, you know. Oh goddamn, broski, it scared me, bro. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I'm not sticking with them. They're bad influence. That guy scared me almost into crashing my car, bro. Here, I don't know if my friend still has a clip, but his car was struggling to climb up that hill because of how bad his car was. And the police stopped like, yo, you guys good? You know, we're gonna be nice. We're gonna be nice. There was a lot of space behind me. Are you gonna thank me? I think, oh, there you go. No problem, broski. I can't wait until I get my motorbike. I don't know if I ever told you guys, but I got my CBT, which is a compulsory basic training in the UK. Oh my god! Oh my god, did I really just capture on camera? What? Oh, my heart just sank, broski. I think oh my god, what the hell? Yo, did we capture that on camera? By the way, before I hit my brakes, I fucking looked back at the mirror to ensure that I ain't getting rear-ended. That's my first time I ever saw a deer on that road.